Sorry, nabigo ko kayo. So what's up guys, it's Bay again with Global Beta Support. At ngayong araw, lalabas ulit ako. Dahil ngayon magpapractice ako para sa G exam, para sa full G exam license, mga kaibigan, no? Yung nakarang exam ko, written lang yun guys. Ito talaga actual exam na. So kailangan ko talaga mag-practice kahit 2 oras lang bago talaga mag-exam para at least ma-refresh lang yung utak ko, no? Sa pagdadrive kasi 6 months na akong hindi nakakapag-drive. So ayun, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa practice. Let's go.
Ayan, practice si Bay, si
Bay, walang Bay.
si Bay, si Clifford.
Practice na.
Ayan,
So tamang kape lang kami, you know, kasi malamig na. 7 degrees na mga kaibigan, lumalamig na ang panahon. At ito yung kotse ni Kuya Ricky. Dito ako pinapractice ni Kuya noon. May sasaga kami ngayon. Tamang chill lang, kakatapos na ng exam, ay ng practice. Uwi na kami, abangan nyo bukas. And let's go. So good morning guys, magkasama na ulit kami ni Kuya Ricky. Today is the day na mag-exam na tayo. Ayun, sana makapasa tayo Kuya.
kaya mo yan. Oo.
Dito tayo ngayon sa driving center. Hindi ko ma-zoom pero ayan ang nakikita ninyo. So guys,
Final moment.
nakabook na ako ng ticket ko. In few minutes meron ng pupuntang examiner dito para i-check yung sasakyan, para i-check lahat kung good to go na. Tapos doon na malalaman. Mag-exam ako mga 20 minutes kaya na?
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
Depends.
Wala nang atrasan, dito na to eh.
Diyan na.
Alright, so do you require any corrective lenses for driving?
No.
Do you have any medical conditions?
No.
You've been on the highway 30 times in the past 3 months?
Yeah.
So your driving capabilities are assessed during the test.
Okay.
You're expected to obey all rules of the road, signal all changes of direction.
Okay.
When you observe and look around, please move your head and not just your eyes. Do you have any questions about the test before we start?
I'm good.
Alright, so when it is safe to do so, please exit to the left. Alright, turn your vehicle off. Okay, so today you have successfully met ministry standards. You're gonna go inside to counter 25 and they will assist you there with your upgrade. Alright, sir?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So nakapasa ako guys, congrats sa akin. Salamat kay Kuya sa patuloy na pag-guide, no, all throughout sa naging journey ko pagkuha ng G. So, ayun, maraming salamat. Again, my license. I'm Canadian now. Philippine license, bye-bye. Canadian license, hello. Pwede na ako kumuha ng kotse. Next stop, bili tayo ng kotse.